Whoa, that kind of sounded like music.
Just not the kind we're looking for.
Oh, yeah, right. Carly, Sandy, have you seen Gordon?
Yeah, he dropped off these cool wavy metal sheets earlier today.
He was supposed to bring musical instruments to Vickerstown for a concert.
But he never got there.
Maybe he's at the mail depot. He said he had to stop there after he dropped off the metal sheets.
Come on, we'll help you look because the
show must go on. Huh, I guess everyone does say that. Gordon! Have you seen Gordon? Hello, Gordon! Where are you, Gordon?
What was that noise? It sounded like music.
Oh, yeah, it did. We found music everywhere today.
Except at the concert stage. Gordon has all the instruments and he's missing.
I passed Gordon on Quick Draw Bridge on my way back here.
Then let's head there.
Yeah, because...
The show must go on.
How'd you know I was going to say that?
Just a feeling.
Come on, if you don't find Gordon soon, there won't be a concert for anyone.
Let's go.
Crankin'.
We should have passed Gordon by now.
Don't give up yet.
Yeah, because I brought my lucky bell. And hopefully it will bring us some good luck finding Gordon.
Percy, is that you?
That sounded like Gordon.
It is Gordon.
Told you my bell was lucky.
Gordon! What's going on?
The switch that lowers the bridge is stuck, which means I'm stuck too. Oh.
If we can't get the instruments to the musicians on this side, there won't be a concert today.
Of course there will. The show must go on. Carly, can you hook the drawbridge?
You got it.
All right. Now, pull!
The bridge is too heavy.
Maybe if we all pull together. Everybody, pull! You can do it!
You did it.
Woohoo!
Well done, everyone. Now then, if you'll excuse me, I must get to Vickerstown before the concert begins.
We were just chasing a rainbow.
Yeah, every time we get close, it runs away.
Wait, did this rainbow have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet colours?
Have you seen it?
Well then, you're closer than you think.
There it is!
Come on, let's go see what's at the end of that rainbow.
What is at the end of a rainbow? Maybe it's a huge bushel of whistles. Hey, wait for me!
Woohoo! Nothing can stop us now. Wow! I've never seen that mountain before.
Yeah, I can see the rainbow, but I don't see a way up the mountain.
These tracks just go around the mountain, not up.
It's hopeless. Without tracks to the top, we'll never reach the rainbow. It's impossible.
What's impossible?
There's a rainbow up there that we're trying to catch.
Cool. It looks like we could get to that track from behind those bushes.
You found the secret entrance.
I did? I mean, I did.
But how do we get over there? The tracks are broken.
Don't worry. One rainbow railway coming right up.
Have no fear, Sandy and Carly can make your problems disappear. A clap clap here, and a snap snap there. Here a clap, there a snap, everywhere a clap snap.
Hurry! The rainbow's disappearing.
Here a clap, there a snap, everywhere a clap snap.
Here's your new connector rail from Sandy and Carly.
Yes,
Thanks, Sandy.
Wow!
Come on, everyone. Full steam ahead.
Don't believe your eyes. Hey! It's just ahead now. We cannot wait to see the end of the rainbow. Whatever will there be? The end of the rainbow. Ooh. Look at the colours. Awesome, yeah!
There's no way Thomas can beat me now. Huh? Ah! Wait, I'm going the wrong way.
Thomas, catch!
Thanks, guys. Next stop, whiffs. Time for a track attack. Go, Thomas!
Hold on to your stack, because Diesel's back.
I'm gonna chug. I'm gonna chew. I'm gonna pull ahead of you.
This ought to slow him down.
Huh?
See you at the finish line.
I'm gonna chug. I'm gonna chew. I'm gonna catch up to you. Phew, that's hard work.